Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you around the B&O surround sound system, which comes standard in the Ford Fiesta Vignale Edition. And in this video I'll be showing you around the speakers, giving you dimensions, specifications, and later on I'll do a sound test. If you want to skip ahead to that sound test, feel free, otherwise let's get started. So let's start off with the front doors. In the front we've got a 6.3 inch woofer, which is behind this grille with the B&O sticker, or logo if you like. Up the top here is a 1 inch tweeter. We've then got a 2.5 inch mid-range centre speaker, and the exact same on the opposite side, 1 inch tweeter and a 6.3 inch woofer. Now the rear is virtually the same, just in different places. So first of all, we haven't got the B&O logo, it's a standard grille, same as any Fiesta, and the tweeter, which is a 1 inch tweeter, is inside the door trim but not up top here. The same as the woofer, it's a 6.3 inch woofer, which is in the same sort of area, and the exact same on the opposite side, obviously. Just thought I'd show you. And underneath the driver's seat is where the magic happens. This is where the B&O digital sound processor lives, under the driver's seat. And finally, in the boot is a 7.8 inch dual voice subwoofer, which lives behind this trim here, just like the new Puma. The older Fiestas say Mark 8, but they used to live under the boot liner, but it's now changed. And here's a little preview of what that subwoofer should look like. A total of 675 watts. I'm guessing that's peak power. I wouldn't have thought that's RMS power, but I could be wrong. A frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And I'm about to do a sound test. Before I do, I'd like to point out that the music I've picked may not be to your liking, so I do apologise for that. But unfortunately I can't just play any music I like, or I'll get a slap in the wrist from YouTube for playing copyrighted music. And one final thing is that I'll start introducing the bass later on in the later songs, to have a better idea of how bassy the sound system is, just with the treble set to maximum and the bass normal, and the speakers will be set to surround rather than stereo. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments.
Good things go slow, and I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, I guess I kinda like that. For the first time you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Crazy.